Alrighty, here's my latest creation. A birthday present for my lovely daughter. Got a couple of cast iron stars. That is the horns and part of the steering wheel out of my 67 Chevelle. There is a emblem off of a 67 Chevrolet pickup that I used to have, and I'm not real certain where that come from, but some kind of looks like a Chevrolet emblem. And then this here long piece come off of the front of my 57 Chevrolet 1-ton pickup, and I'm pretty positive that 5400 come off of it too, or 64. It's a 6400. And the Chevrolet emblem is from I was thinking a 63 Impala I had, but I may be wrong on that. But I do know that this Ford emblem come off of a 39 Ford F5 pickup I had, and I had a nephew that begged me for the truck, so I gave it to him, and he immediately turned around and sold it. There is a Mustang emblem that I don't remember where it come from, and there is probably the rarest emblem on the board. It looks like a come off of a T-Bird, but I don't know if T-Birds ever had 427s in them or not. I know Ford did. So my dad had a 57 station wagon. It come from the factory with a 427, 2 4-barrels on it, and he had it about 2 weeks, and the factory rep came and told him that he had to give him that car back because the engine in it was not supposed to be in it. He told him, heck with you. He paid cash for it, and it's his car, so he kept it. But anyway, that's a different story. Hope you like my little old wall hanger thing. I was gonna try to put some kind of deals down here on the bottom to make maybe a coat rack or something with this thing, but I might do that still. But anyway, there it is. Hope you like it. Talk to you later. Bye.